this would be my first drone review this year, 2021. Yeah, I haven't done any reviews on drones lately, and this is going to be my first. And the reason we're doing this one is because I advised my wife not to fly the drone with the grandson out in the garden. And guess what? He doesn't know how to control it. He's only 5, and all he knows is up and down. And off it went. Somewhere in someone's garden that we're never going to see it again. So she's had to go out and buy another one. So this is it. Cost just under £20, so it's not too expensive. A quick look around the box. Comes in various colours, as you can see, red, blue, golden. And that's about it. For a 6-year-old, he's 5, but it should be fine indoors, as long as he doesn't take it out. So a little bit of instructions there. And let's have a look. Is there a controller? I have no idea because she chose this, not me. So it's probably one of those hover things, you know, you stick around under there and it will go up. Yeah, I'm guessing. Made in China. It's quite light. Doesn't feel like anything very expensive. You know, just cheap plastic material. That's what I was expecting anyway. Comes with a USB charger. Looking at that, looks alright. Actually, it doesn't look too short. Again, it doesn't feel like it's very expensive neither. It just feels, you know, cheap. But then I wasn't expecting it to be, you know, high quality. Not for £20. That's not too bad. It's about 400-500 mil long. I'm not going to measure it up, but I'll say it's about 400-500 mil, I guess. Let me know in the comments whether you want me to measure it up. Oh, what's that? It's a thank you card. Activate lifetime warranty. Really? That's what it says. It's got a Q code on it. What's this? A quick operation guide. There you go. Press on off button for 2 seconds. Got an on off button, is it? Charger. There's a charger. Or charging port. Ah, there you go. On off. There. Says on off. See that? Ah, there's a little tiny button there. Yeah. Yeah, it does work. So if I hold it in for 2 seconds, see what happens. Oh. Now what? Turn it off. Got to press it to make it fly. Oh, you can change colours on it, look. Blue and green. Right, I will read the instructions. Let's see if I can turn it off. Yeah, I can. I will read the instructions just to make sure, you know, I know what I'm doing before I play about with it. I'm guessing it's designed for indoors. Like I said, I didn't order it, the wife ordered it, she chose everything. I had no input whatsoever on this drone. But if it's something you might be interested in for your grandchild or children, you might want to carry on watching. Right, I haven't charged her up because I found out how to make it work, and it's quite funny really. It's going to make you laugh. Right, ready for this? Right, so you've got to turn it upside down, yeah? Turn her on. So, green light. You get green light, flip her over, and then just chuck it in the air. Ready? Watch. That's really good. Right, I'll move the camera back so you can get a proper view of it. Right, there's a few things I want to go through first, and one of them being I've already had to play about with it. Yes, I have been playing about with it, and it's very good. Even my grandson's had a go of it, and he thought it was brilliant. Made him laugh. The other thing is the lighting. It comes up with a green light, and that is normal mode, and then you can change it to the blue light, which is a faster mode. I haven't noticed much of a difference. There is a little bit of a difference, but not that much. But I quite like it on the green. Battery life is about 5 to 8 minutes, and that's it. It takes about, or it says, takes about 40 minutes to charge up, and that can vary depending on how much you drain the battery out when you're playing about with it, obviously. And apparently you can use it outdoors, because there's a picture of it being used outdoors, and it does say in the instructions, do not use it in windy conditions. So something to bear in mind if you want to use it outside. Make sure it's quite calm, and make sure you're not in a restricted place because you might lose it. I've only been using it indoors and it's quite easy to do. So with that, let's get on with it and start her up. So turn her upside down, get the lights on. Once it's green, it's ready to go. Hold it in your hand and chuck it in the air. And that's it. Come back, come back. Oh, oh. Oh. Get out under there. Come on, come out. Oh, and the other thing is, when it gets a little bit confused, it shuts itself down, which is good. And if you catch it in mid-air, like that, turn it upside down, turns it straight off. So something to bear in mind as well. In case you're wondering how to stop it, that's how you do it. You can control the height by putting your hand underneath. See that? Get off the ceiling. Come here. Told you it's good fun. Come back, come back. Apparently it has some trouble with certain colours like black. It doesn't recognise black very well. And I think there was another colour, but I can't remember what it was. You can't see it, can you? Oh, here it comes. I like it for what it is. I know you've got no control of it as such. You know, you can put your hand under there. You can put your hand underneath to lift it up and things like that. But it's just a toy. It's just a bit of fun, and it's quite safe because you know you've got all this cover to protect your fingers. So is it worth £20? Let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's worth £20. We're having a lot of fun with it. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. I think it's a good little bit of fun. It's a great little toy. And yeah, it is basically just a toy. It's a little gadget in it. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think it's worth buying, having a bit of fun with it. Don't expect it to be fantastic because, you know, it's okay. It's designed to be a bit of fun. That is it. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.